Give me like 5 minutes.
Yeah, no problem.
Yo,
What up?
what's going on, yo?
What up? Oh, man. I don't want to be here today. I don't want to trade. I just want to go back to bed. I think I'm leaning bearish, honestly.
Not
50.
mad at it.
Previously low resting down there.
Yeah, we can come back into that. What is it? Like 897 range, tap into this 4 hour, and then just shoot down from there.
Yep.
Beautiful day.
We got a 1 hour there too. Totally
Yeah.
fine. Overnight, oh, we did have a nice expansion actually from London. Hopefully, New York is just continuation. We already had
Hmm.
everything that we needed to. Um, Asia accumulated, London manipulated it and expanded. Hopefully, it's just New York continuation lower.
Yeah.
Previous day low sitting all the way down here. Previous week low we actually took out already. So just previous day low and New York AM low. YM's previous day low is New York AM low, so I'll definitely be monitoring that. Yeah, I think that's it. We do have equal highs all the way up here, previous day high, so definitely want to watch that. Could possibly do something like this, you know. It's a little ambitious, but it's definitely possible. Kind of just see what happens. React to what we see, not try and predict, you know. What commission? What do you mean? For what?
Oh, geez, let's see. You're not buying as many products and sales tax. Some of you aren't even.
I'm looking for shorts coming into New York AM. What's up, everyone? In the TikTok chat. Uh, Draw on liquidity is king, so we have this draw on liquidity resting right here. We displaced super hard towards that draw on liquidity. Now we just want to wait for a retrace into a high time frame for a value gap like this 1 hour, but we do have a gap SMT here, and then look for continuation.
Alright,
What up? How many years have you been trading prop firms? We're only a year into trading prop firms. I think so too. Yeah.
It's 15-minute gaps holding. Alright. Then we're just gonna literally melt. Simulation. Manipulation. And now. Distribute now. Like this. So Asia basically accumulated, London manipulated, and we should just distribute lower.
That's
Yeah,
exactly what
yeah.
I was saying when you were gone. I completely agree.
I don't know if you're looking at my screen, but like this right here. Alright, so like got this retrace into golden pocket perfectly. Which is at 048, 25048. We had yesterday's previous day wick, like 50% of it right here.
Uh-huh.
Yesterday's wick was definitely a rejection block, 'cause that's the wick that tapped the gap.
Yeah.
And so you can see we came up to 50% of that wick, and then we started rejecting down here.
And that's a perfect
And then-
rejection. Yeah.
Yeah, and then here we just accumulated. Then you can see London opened up, manipulated, and then like this 2 a.m. high got re-manipulated, and we tapped golden pocket right above it
Yeah.
in that 1 hour, and then now we're distributing lower. We have your 1 hour CISD here, which is like your midnight open that we used to distribute lower, and then we have all these sell side draws on the
Yeah.
previous day low.
I completely agree with your analysis, honestly.
And then we have like internal SMTs at the top. We don't really have SMTs at the bottom, but I just think even though ES might make one, I think we'll invalidate it.
Fair. Yeah.
This 4 hour wick, it could have been a rejection block, but I would have expected like this candle to start holding it, not this next one. So like, I don't think this will hold like as a rejection block. I think we'll end up going for previous day low. And then you see those Asia lows from yesterday are perfect equal lows on NQ.
Yep.
I kind of wanted to see those yesterday, but we held. But I do like those.
I peeped that too. Yeah.
And then we have relative equal lows right above that, which is also a decent target at like 736. So yeah, I mean this just looks like higher time frame AMD. We should be distributing for New York. I will say though, I mean London did move down like almost 250 points.
Yeah, it did move
Close.
down a good amount.
So we'll see. But previous day low, I think it's still a decent area to target. Would be like 100, 140 points worth of like a move total. Could be worth it. I don't really have like any condition. I mean, there's an hourly gap above us, but we have an SMT in that gap, so I kind of feel like we don't come back to it. And we're just holding this bearish 15 kind of into open, so we could just hold this 15 and then like begin grinding lower. Got a couple SMTs at the top of this like, small range. Yeah. Honestly, the shorts in London that played were actually like insane. Like all those levels aligning right there were crazy. So
Yeah. No, it actually is pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. TikTok wanted to see your analysis real quick. You want to just go through it like real quick?
Yeah. Yeah, I can go through it. So is my screen over right now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the hourly chart right here. So overnight, we can see, I mean, price action is clearly like bearish here in this leg from yesterday. So I'm automatically kind of bearish overnight based on that. And then we can see here, in simple terms, pretty much you can just see that Asia, we had a consolidation range here. And then we can see that for London, we had this manipulation up into these PD areas. So we had this hourly gap. We had this buy side level, which is your PM highs. And then we had halfway, so 50% of yesterday's daily candle wick. So basically yesterday's daily candle tapped into a gap. So this high could be protected and we could end up holding like 50% of the wick for lower. The other thing I saw was I took a fib retrace from the top of this range down to the bottom, which was here at the time. You can see we perfectly tapped into golden pocket or the 0.705 level, aligned with all these PD arrays. And then from there, you can see we start distributing lower. And then with that, I would assume that we start to, play lower into previous day low down here and all these other sell side levels as well.
Perfect. Beautiful. All right.
We'll see. I mean, this 15 is kind of the condition for me to open. I kind of feel like if we're just going to grind lower, that's going to hold, and then we'll just start to plummet.
Yeah, no, I want to see us hold this 15 into open. Yeah, I agree. I'm watching both ES and YM because YM's New York AM low is previous day low.
Okay, yeah. And then ES is about to take that previous AM low as well. We'll make like an SMT maybe.
We have a data high somewhere. I think we have data high.
Good, yeah, we use. There's also 10 a.m. orange shoulder.
Oh no, there's a data low. Someone called it.
Okay, yeah, there is a data low actually.
Yeah.
It's a good call. I would honestly support us going lower if that's the case. We want to go for that low and then run it and then go lower. And then ES's data low kind of like edged that previous AM. Yeah, I mean in this range overall, like I don't know, I'd be very wary to long at all. The only target higher that we have that's like an actual draw is London High, but with this range, like I'm not expecting we just split from down and just run up 200 points.
I agree.
And even if we do, we'd have to see how like the higher time frame gaps react. So it'd be hard to long through those as well. So I'm more so kind of just open to short. If shorts don't like set up, then I'll probably just take nothing. I just can't see how longs would end up setting up and playing out at the bottom here. Yeah, I mean, all the lows, like, I mean, there's nothing really on the higher time frame that should be holding us higher now at this point. The way it looks. I'm just playing off of that daily gap. I mean, the daily gap is pretty much being used right now, and then we have the sell side from it, which is the lows of the month, and then potentially November lows after that.
Yep. I mean, I would love it. I'm not gonna lie.
This does look like the area that we would start to move from that daily gap, like a retrace on the daily, and then the next move lower.
Yeah, looking a little bearish today. Yeah, IFG indicator. What's up, Roy? Yeah, waiting for New York Open. You got $2 left on DD. Wait for CPI, bro.
CPI, baby.
Yeah, CPI could save you. What's up, Rohan? How you been, dude? CPI is next month. It's like the 13th or so, 12th. Yeah, I've been good, Rohan. We got banned here on TikTok because we said the R word.
Because we said.
Yeah, not
Oh,
we, not we, me.
I think it was just funny because it sounded like you were about to say it again.
Yeah, no, dude, I'm not PR trained, bro. I'm just like, I don't know.
I did not see this fucking tweet last night, but that makes sense. Basically, that shit says we're getting ready to go and strike Iran.
I saw that. Yes, bro. We were like, we moved a shit ton of troops, like, or something close to
They
it.
moved the whole entire
Yeah.
fucking air base there. Like they moved the whole. I forget what it's called, the USS whatever, but the fucking airstrip that fucking the boat basically is just on en route to Iran, I guess. But it's like not even being covered. Like I feel like on the news, like locally, it's like you have to be on Twitter and just see it.
Well, that's low key how every news is nowadays, bro. To really find the
And
news, you gotta go on like TikTok and Twitter and shit. Like,
that is true.
they don't post that shit on the real news anymore.
They're about to take us back to war. Oh man.
Dude, I don't know about you, and this might be crazy to say, bro, but I'm not going, dude. I'm sorry, I'm not going.
nah, that's a fact.
Dude,
I don't think we're gonna have to go, bro. Something
I-
tells me next time those motherfuckers are coming here.
Fuck, man. Dude, I really don't want to go, bro. I'm telling you right now. I know there's those like sayings like, you know how like men our age used to go to war. Dude, I don't want to go to war, bro.
Yeah, nah, fuck war. I'm not. That shit. Like if I wanted to, I would sign up for it. What do you mean I could just be drafted?
Yeah, nah, I'm not trying to get drafted, dude. I might have to fake my death.
Gotta do what you gotta do, man.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Yeah, they knock on my door. I'm gonna play the word. Nah, dude, I don't know. I mean, it might be actually crazy to say. Like, would you rather take some jail time over going to war?
Depends how long jail is.
Yeah, like actually.
Depends on the jail.
Yeah.
To be honest, that's yeah. Depends how long and what jail.
Oh man, I'm weak.
Let's see.
And some jails did it, yeah, for real authoring. Yeah, it would be federal jail. I know. Yeah, it would be like a crazy charge. It would be like 5 to 10 years or something too.
Yeah, definitely.
I don't know, man. Just because our world leaders got into an argument, we got to go to fight for them and like risk our lives. That war just doesn't make sense to me, honestly.
And 25. We might make like another S&T up over the top of this range. So far, this looks like kind of sideways on the 15 though. Down here.
Yeah. No, I know. I'm kind of just making a joke, but I really don't want to get drafted. In all honesty.
What's the age cap for that?
I mean, I feel like we're the
Like
first.
18 to
I really
what?
think there's like not really like a hard cap. I think like if you, it might be maybe like 28 to 30
Yo,
maybe.
gang, I got a disability. If anybody
I mean, yeah,
asks,
that's the thing is that
I'm
that
gonna
like
I'm gonna start walking funny.
No,
that
Why?
makes it
they
that
don't.
makes it to, like I think honestly if you have like even like slight like eye impairment or anything like they'll be strict of it. But also I think if they're drafting people, they don't give a fuck at that point. So
Yeah, at that point they taking whatever they can get. They need bodies.
literally,
Dude, I'm gonna go to
you're
my.
gonna see wheelchair motherfuckers with ARs in their hands.
I'm just gonna go to my doctor and have him prescribe me like an ADHD medication, some
Word.
slip
I was
or
gonna
some
try to
shit.
hand it to the drill sergeant and get it ripped up.
yeah.
I was gonna rip it up and hand you a backpack and an AR. Like here, bro, this is your new job.
Oh man, I'm gluten free, so I
pack of
can't get
crayons.
drafted. Oh, yo, I might have to turn gluten free, bro.
Don't worry, bro. They
Niggas,
might just
I'm
have
gluten
some
free.
gluten-free crayons, bro. They always have gluten-free crayons on standby. Don't worry.
That's hilarious, man.
Oh man.
I mean, honestly, they don't even use like they don't even really use like boots on the ground anymore. Anyway, I think we're past the point of even them drafting. Like they literally control everything from the sky.
Yeah, and I mean there are a lot of people that do sign up. I mean,
I mean, yeah, that too.
yeah.
I don't know if you guys have ever seen the inside of like one of those drone rooms. It's really like the typical like Call of Duty sweat, like playing Call of Duty in a control room. It's actually insane,
I've never seen
Put
it.
me one of them.
bro. It's like it'll be a kid like you expect, bro. It's like it'll be like some like 20-year-old kid and he's sitting there playing with like a controller almost and just dropping bombs.
Jeez, wow. I had a
Put that
buddy.
down here.
I had a buddy through a friend of mine that after he graduated high school, he went to go join the IDF, and he came back after like 3 years of being over in Israel, bro. He showed me some videos. He's a drone operator, bro. He's got like bombs and machine guns attached to his drones, bro. Like insane stuff.
Holy.
Yeah, at 20 years
That's the
old.
thing is
bro.
like we literally just only go like for drones now. We just do everything like pretty much by AI, if that makes sense.
Yeah, nah. I mean, I don't want to say crazy stuff here on TikTok, but I mean, dude,
Yeah.
you can imagine like some of the stuff. Like he showed me videos, bro. He has cameras and stuff attached to these drones, bro. Like insane, bro. Insane.
I believe it.
But like it just goes to show like how crazy and how different some people's lives are. Like here I am over here fucking playing Fortnite in my basement, and then that guy's over there, 19 years old in the IDF, like. You know,
Literally, but still
yeah.
can't legally get a drink.
Yeah, like it's just crazy how different lives can be. Driving over IEDs and fucking pulling people out of vehicles and shit, like crazy stuff. Long in the Palantir and the yeah, I long Palantir. I'm pretty bullish on Palantir, honestly. You're from Israel? What time is it over there right now?
Low key, this
Something.
5 minute might inverse off the open towards the data.
We did get a dodgy indicator, but I don't like it.
Yeah,
in
we're definitely in
pre-market.
like a range to start in.
Yeah. 16:30, so 4:30. Wow. That's crazy.
PM, yeah. About to open up in like 20 seconds here.
Damn, bro's friend work for the big Yahoo.
Are y'all
Reminder on the
bullish?
code.
Or
Yo,
like,
what's
what
up,
are y'all
bro?
thinking?
What's good?
I'm leaning towards bearish. I want to see these lows get hit. The New York game low and possibly previous day low.
Yeah, I agree.
Unless
Data
we
lows Thursday.
unless at market open we come and manipulate into this 1 hour for value gap, but we already have gap SMT there. I kind of want to just see us flush.
Okay.
Here's the open. We ended up clicking
The
that
only thing I
5
do
minute.
see is we're trading out of like a 1 hour gap and a 4 hour order block. Bullish. So it might like cause some resistance.
Yeah. We also moved down pretty hard over London. I mean, 830
Yeah.
lows data. Like, if we do want higher, at least kind of want to see one of these pairs take data out at some point.
Yeah. I low-key would like maybe manipulate lower and then go higher maybe.
Yeah, I could see it. Could be like a lower time frame, like AMD.
Yeah. Especially since we have like midnight above, London above, relative equal highs at 25, 125. Like,
Mm.
but we also have some draws below too, so it's kind of like.
Yeah, we're in the middle right now. We gotta see for one of the sides to get broken.
Yeah,
Yeah,
definitely.
we also had like another kind of big range last night. I think.
Yeah.
Pretty wicked move there. Correlated, so there's no S&Ts up here right now. Or, well, actually, there is like an S&T at this wick
We have
high
an
now.
S&T at the low right now and at the high.
Yeah.
Or no, just at the low. My bad.
I'm gonna swap these internal lows. It's back up. It's 15. But I don't like it. Please don't do the same shit as yesterday. That's all I'm hoping.
Yeah, we'll see. We need to like on the side of this range here on the 5 minutes to get in. But I do prefer to see that 830 low get hit at some point. We gotta set up for it.
Yeah.
I'm missing a candle. ES starts to correlate as well. ES definitely isn't like wanting to be as weak, thank you.
Yeah. No,
We didn't make an S&T at 835 high.
At the say it again.
So like 835 high, like on the 5 minute wick high on ES.
Oh,
I think you
okay.
took it here off the open.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Okay. The indicator alerted shorts in pre-market, but I don't trade pre-market. This would have been a break even anyways.
Yeah, off that flip. So far, it kind of looks like we're rejecting up the SMT up top.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it's starting to kind of correlate a bit. I have 10 a.m. orange folder today too.
Have y'all noticed that it like barcodes like the first 10 minutes of open like every day now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I started range. Still Discord lead for now. Okay. USDT up top is holding for now. I haven't made like a gap yet since open. Jeez. Well, there goes 930 low. We're together. Oh, just that is Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
Jeez, man.
I would prefer the upside first because there's so many clear targets down below.
Yeah. I want to think we just flushed that low out and keep going. We'll see though.
Yeah. Now I just need a entry point, I guess. But I don't miss out, so. Be one of those days.
Jesus Christ.
Jeez, man. What the
Yeah, we're
fuck?
down 80 points just off hurt from that. That's insane. Holy. He has took out previous AM lows and plummeting towards previous day low now. Did we make the curse percentage or something, right?
Yeah, we're about to make it. 20 seconds.
We just sit in the range and we just dump it nowhere. Like, why? Presented now.
Right now, the CISD indicator on. Or C of first presented. Let's see what happens here.
Yeah. You can get like a nice clean reaction down. Like that might have. Candle closes. like a either like a strong push out of the gap or like a close out of it. I would like it.
Order filled.
That was not mine, by the way.
Yeah. I don't know.
Good luck.
Do y'all like a short out of this gap potentially?
I mean, I'm watching it. I kind of do.
Yeah.
It does look kind of clean. I'm not gonna lie.
I'm waiting for like a nice 15-second flip down.
Yeah, that's what I was watching. Like 30-second, 15-second.
I'm looking at 30 second. I kind of like it here, but fuck me.
The only thing is we have like a high time frame S&P now. Or like
So for holding, see, I'm not really liking like back and forth within it. I might not take it. We get like another. I see like a solid down.
Good inverse is. Yeah,
also like I
could be
don't
an
want like
inverse.
I don't want to get manipulated here because like this could easily be like a Judas sweep
Yeah,
Yeah,
totally.
that's the other thing
because
too.
we have
It's
a
kind of like
we have
the
an
range
hourly
though that we took.
SPT. We're in an hourly gap. Like we have London high above. Like I don't want to get manipulated out here.
Honestly, we're just back in the range from that sweep. See if we get a flip and then what happens after. But I really don't want them long today, ideally.
It's a long way up. Probably just take it up to the 1 hour gap.
Yeah, you'd have to
If
target like
that,
internal levels.
yeah.
Sure.
Wow.
Building the whole entire first percent, they're gonna flip and job is short. And that hopefully that's the candle that starts. But it almost looked like we were gonna flip that first percentage, and we ended up filling it all the way, and we're holding. Then I would plan to just go break even at the internal low, and then
Order filled.
see if we get move lower into previous day low. At like 752, 736, 709, and 700 all draws lower. The only thing here is ES took out previous
Order
AM
filled.
lows. So there's an SMT there for now.
Dude,
But-
who is like
Yeah,
trading
who's-
a bunch, bro?
Who's got that?
Whose account is getting liquidated, bro?
Oh god.
I know Hyman hears that.
No, bro. It's not me.
If we hold this gap, man, I don't hate shorts like previous day low, but did ES already sweep previous day low?
Yes,
Nah, it's
not.
more like the AM lows.
Oh yeah, it's what the AM was. Okay.
Yeah, thank you, Edge. Yeah.
And on a short to Asia, it's 90 points. Yeah, I'm break even at that. Oh shit.
Yeah, my stop is just at the internal high. Like that first through the cut. So
The only
you
thing
can
that
take
worries me
high
is
then.
like we just have a lot of stuff higher.
I mean, yeah, but
We're also in like a stack of end dogs and end walks right now. That's why it's like just wicking right now, the lows.
yeah, we're definitely kind of stalled out. I mean, London moved down 200 and something points to the downside, and then from from today's open, we already like kind of sideways. But
Yeah.
like from the higher time frame, we should be in like sell side of the curve just because of the daily tap, and then that hourly like alignment towards it.
Yeah.
Dodgy took the shorts actually. I think he took that short that I was saying before.
Oh no, that's not bad.
He
So
took.
he got break even though, I'd assume, right?
Oh no, he took the 30-second. Oh, he took the market open one actually. This was clean. I didn't even peep this. I'm not gonna cap. At market open, we flipped up, swept internal range, had an SMT delivering from a 5-minute, and then flipped the 30-second down to data low.
Yeah, it's not bad, honestly.
I
I did expect that low to get taken. It just wasn't like any clean setup.
Yeah.
I want to go break even at this internal low, but we just back up here. Not a deal. I might get a stop out for this the way this is playing out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come on now.
Honestly,
I'm just gonna wait for the macro, bro. This is just straight barcode.
yeah. I played the displacement from first percent, then we just spawned.
Yeah, I was pretty close to taking that continuation off the first presented. I don't really like how many things are stacked above and below right now. We're just kind of like stuck in between them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I agree.
I kind of want to see like a break of the range, maybe like create a continuation off that, like a 5 to 1 minute or something like that.
That's valid.
I don't know though. Hopefully the macro flushes it down for y'all
Stop
or
out.
some shit.
Like 10 seconds.
Let's see how this plays out.
Spike my stop. I'm gonna spike my stop and Q.
Just leave my stop alone. That's all I'm asking.
And there it is.
Damn, stopped out. Yep. Now it's probably gonna rush up to that gap.
Jeez, bro, I went downstairs for 1 second. The fuck? Where did this candle come from?
Yeah, no, we just started clicking.
Yeah.
Yes, it's about to take like the top of the range.
Dude, you can't even like long this. They're so uncorrelated.
Yeah.
Like, this is so brutal.
Yeah, SMT at these highs. I wouldn't take this.
Dodgy alerted A+ for that
Yeah.
long right now.
I don't like this.
Just I don't like it at all, bro. We
No.
have SMT above and below. We have gaps above and below.
This is
I
not
think-
good.
Yeah. If we get like a, I don't know. If there's like a nice reaction, maybe I'll take it with like 1 micro or some shit. But
Low key, this 30
look at
second.
that.
Yeah, this 30 because of the 1 minute failing there. Because we're expecting the 1 minute to fail. That 30 second low key was. I mean, it closed fucking hell down, but
the
Might
30
close back
second
below
V
what's
shape.
presented.
That you're talking about?
yeah, the 30 second down that we just closed.
Yeah.
Because we were
Jeez,
expecting.
what is this?
Because we were expecting the 1 minute to fail there.
What is this? You gotta be
I
kidding
don't
me.
know. I'm low-key gonna just sit out for a little
Yeah,
bit.
I'm sitting out for now as well.
Not trying to have my first trade on my fucking fund to be a loss.
Mm,
This is your first Top Step account ever?
Yeah, I've always failed
Oh.
every time I try to pass one, bro.
Well, no, I mean,
Right.
now you have the second chart, dude. It's so nice, bro.
It's so much better, bro.
Yeah.
I was using the, because I do like those OTE like moves on e-balance.
Mhm.
It's like I'm not like as worried about losing, and like
Yeah.
I use like the 15-second for like the quick like inversions and shit like that. And It's pretty nice.
Trump's speaking right now. That's why.
let's go.
Is it?
No, I'm definitely not trading right now. Oh hell no.
Yoji says what's up.
Yo, good, what's
Slaz.
good?
You too,
Yoji.
Yoji.
No, me too. No, I'm Slazzy today now. If Trump's speaking, I'm kind of done then for the day, honestly.
Is
Like,
Yoji in the call?
He's in the TikTok.
Oh,
You got
What's
100.
bro,
You got 180 people listening to you right now. What do you want to say?
dude, that's peak.
It's actually
Oh.
insane, bro.
Dude, okay, bro. All these random Tomeis that keep trying to add me.
Same.
This is the 5th one.
Same.
I'm so tired of it.
the thing is, if they're gonna like impersonate someone, they can at least type like they're from America. You can tell like they're not from me.
Yes, you
What
can
do
tell
they
like
say?
it's like some foreign country.
It's like, tell me, how is trade going? Like,
Yeah, dead ass, bro.
like, what do you mean, how is trade going, bro? What does that even mean? So we just SMT at the top and SMT at the bottom at AM session low. So, and Trump speaking?
Yes.
All in all,
Oh no, Roy.
Okay, we do have when ES pushed up, it created equal highs above.
Did he fall for anything, Roy? Like, did he give him any money or anything? Oh man, that's not good.
Too. So,
Isma, you're asking why you think the 1 minute failed. I mean, just the way these reactions were. Yeah, we had a strong candle close, but like these reactions, you don't ever want to see this when you're trying to flip a fair value gap to take long. Also, what I've implemented into my strategy that has helped me save like a lot of losses is just like kind of measuring out the range that we make when we're closing the fair value gap, and never taking trades that close a fair value gap in premium of the range. So this fair value gap obviously closed over equilibrium of this range. That's just, you know, something that I've implemented into my trading that's just saved me a lot of losses.
Wait, say that one more time.
So are
Oh,
you
wait,
watching?
let me look at,
Are you
hold on, let
watching?
me look at yours.
Yeah.
Bro, this is why I switched to Asia, bro. I can't do this
Deadass.
anymore. This barcode is so just horrible.
Deadass. So
Yeah,
Rob, you see this fair value gap? You see how we close it?
Uh-huh.
On paper, it looks like a really good trade. Like mechanically, this looks super good. But you see the wicks that were wicking into this first presented, like trying to close it. You don't want to see that on a real reversal. And then also, if you measure out this range that we made, like the first presented, like the fair value gap that we closed above, you see how we're in premium of this range. It's over 50%.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Mhm.
that's just something that I've implemented into my trading that saves me a lot.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, this is just looking like an ass day. It's just a rangy day.
Yeah, it's looking really bad.
Yeah, this is choppy as shit. This was the only trade that was like decent, and I missed it today.
Yeah, since the open, we haven't like done. The only thing we've done is just rip her down alone so far. That's about it.
Yep.
Wait, which was the trade that you missed, John?
The 30-second at market open, we came up.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
that was pretty clean.
That was actually stupid clean because the break even was right there. Time was on your side. You know, you had the volatility right
Yeah.
there. The data
Well, we
loss.
also we manipulated higher and swept out. We turtle souped all that liquidity too, and we
Exactly.
SMT'd, and then
Exactly.
we also had like those clean lows below.
Exactly. Yep.
So it was a pretty nice move.
That's what Dodgy took. That was clean. Not gonna lie.
Yeah. Loki, we might just chop a little higher and then run like we did yesterday, maybe.
Mhm.
Yeah, I mean
Or
the
just not.
S&T, the bottom's holding off that AM
Yeah.
with commission so
We're
far.
also trading out of that high time for a gap too.
Yeah.
This 1 hour unmitigated could bring us lower though, like y'all wanted when we tap into it. It's pretty big.
Yeah.
It's all the way down.
Yeah, what up?
We come back into century.
I mean, if we close this 15-minute gap, I'm not gonna lie, it looks. I don't know. Break even. You would have a nice break even spot at these internal highs. Low-key could target equilibrium of the range.
Yeah, and you also have like the opening prices above us.
Yeah.
Shoot at midnight.
We got 6 minutes on this candle close. We'll see how this 1 hour closes.
Yeah, and the wick on the bottom is pretty crazy off that SMT so far.
Yeah. Maybe 10 a.m. manipulation above, possibly, yeah. Totally. Equilibrium of the overnight range from London is right here at 9:08. You know, it's a tap right into the 1 hour for value gap, so totally could be 10 a.m. higher.
See it. I think we're pretty correlated up here now. I don't think there's any SMTs at that moment.
What did I miss something on the 15 second? What did I miss on the 15 second? No, Brad, this is just the biggest month that, you know, one of us have ever had. So we just use this one. 9:36. Like this flip right here.
This gap's so bad. Just reverse from there.
Yeah, there's 1 minute only. It could push us into that hourly fill where equilibrium also is.
Jeez, this idea is done now.
Now we're in the 1 hour.
What did Trump just say?
Yeah, seriously, what did you just say?
All right, guys, we're removing tariffs for everyone in the world. Let's go.
What did he even say? Before
I don't know, but that's definitely like a statement that just occurred. That candle happened. Something happened there. No manipulation to that hourly gap. Equilibrium got tapped, I think, there too. Yeah.
Close
So
at
now
this
I'm
30
taking out all the range highs into that hourly now.
Maybe he'll say something like super crazy and we'll get like a 200-point dump.
Dude, that'd be
And we can all catch it.
very possible. This area here is a bit weird. We are in the hourly gap and then tap equilibrium, but then we also have like true day open at 9:43 and midnight at 9:57. Not that those are like insane draws, but price could rebalance those areas. But overall, too, this 1 hour candle is like super, super strong. Like the flip on it is
Yeah.
insane.
Yeah, this looks incredibly strong.
And then
If
it
you,
looks like it kind of broke the range
If
up.
you draw out the fair value gap, but you like combine both of the hourly gaps, the C of like both combined is exactly midnight.
That's interesting. Yeah, midnight's also like a change in state. So
Yeah, of the move lower.
yeah,
It's also OT of the whole range too.
Also, pop up onto the one hour real quick. I didn't realize we have this SMT at the lows.
yeah, the AM.
Yeah, that
session
was the one that I was talking about
sweep.
earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I didn't realize that.
Because we had
that's why I
that,
was
we
saying,
had
like,
that, and
pre-market,
that
if we move
1 hour
lower,
gap.
ES would take it.
Yeah, that's why I was thinking we might go up like later in the session because like SMT at the low and
Honestly, I
had
should
that
have
gap.
traded that short, but bro, it's been so many days now, like where high time frame SMTs don't hold, and then like we just still deliver on the other pair that's lagging.
Yeah, no, I agree.
Like even yesterday, I think we had like that daily gap S&T, but then we ended up like instead of shorting, we like ended up ripping higher low-key.
Yeah.
Close bullish on that. There's a small 1 minute here. I mean, if inverses, I wouldn't say short, but it could be like the start of the move if the hourly structure
Yeah.
gonna hold pairs.
What I've learned also is wait for either a resweep of internal or wait for the CISD on the first inverse. Because the first inverse is really
Yeah.
50-50, you know?
Yeah, I agree. Like if you get a CISD here, I think it's like pretty clean. The inverse is like the first step.
Yeah, I agree.
What range? Like that 856 range?
Yeah, I mean, if we start shorting again, like I would think we just come back down, like end up taking out low of day, and then we go lower for like draws that we had below us off the open there.
Yeah, that we left before. Yeah.
Do have news in 45 seconds as well.
But
Jesus Christ.
we should be good after this one.
Yeah, I agree.
That was like a nice reaction off the 1 out.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe
One
pretty
close.
I don't
one
want to
close
see
result.
like. I was hoping that 5-minute gap would have gotten created before we reacted, but
I mean, so far now the range sweep is looking like it's holding. The sweep at the top into that hourly. Yes, like re-manipulated the high that tapped in the hourly. See? Inverse. I don't like that quick close though. That's news by the
Jeez.
way.
There's break
How's
even
yours?
already. Jesus.
Holy. That's your news candle there.
I think we go to previous day low here though on this move. As long as we get the CISD and everything starts to look good. I wonder if Keswick alerts here too.
I honestly might once you get that CSD in that break area there.
Yeah.
yeah, I'm watching the breaker.
I have Keswick's pulled up if anyone wants to watch.
I know Dodgy indicated it. Right?
Yeah, dodgy alerted.
B plus.
I wonder if it'll alert this other gap, this 1 minute gap that we might flip here too.
We do have the 5-minute though that we're trading out of now, so you gotta watch that.
Yeah.
Kind of want to see it flip before.
True. And macro just ended. Oh no. I'm bugging.
Oh, we have 10 minutes left.
Yeah, I'm bugging. Yeah.
I do like that we generated all that like low resistance liquidity now, but I don't know if we're gonna come over just yet.
Yeah, that 5-minute could definitely send us.
5-minute
over.
is yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Or a
But
resweep.
it's like I wouldn't want to take that 5-minute higher though, because like we're trading out of a way higher time frame gap with
Agreed.
a lot
And
of
you're in-
liquidity below.
And you're in basically premium. Like we just have to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there's no like true targets above us really.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I agree.
I think the move is wait for a resweep and then look to see if we short from there with a good break even spot. No, we have. I personally haven't taken any trades, Harry.
Low key, London is not like crazy far for EA. The high. But on XP it's pretty far.
LG alerted that too.
Yeah, I don't even like that.
Yeah, 5 minutes, 1 minute. I mean, it's pretty clean, but like, I don't like that we're in a big ass gap right now.
I don't like how there's no like clear targets. You could target the day.
Well,
true day.
you
open.
could target, yeah, you could target
Yeah.
midnight. You could target London. I mean, there is targets, but like, I don't like where we're at.
Yeah, here's the resweep and SMT, but it's not gonna hold.
Damn, that was clean though. Not go bad.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
If we were not in that 1 hour gap, I'd
Jesus
100%
fucking Christ.
keep that.
Jeez.
Holy. Oh my lord.
Damn, bro, that's crazy.
What is going on right now?
This shit is
Peace out, Pete.
Trump is trumping, I think.
Trump is.
Yeah, the
Trump.
5 minute for value gap and the 30-second inverse were so clean.
You guys think Trump long that inverse right there?
Oh yeah, of course.
Oh wow, that 30-second actually does look kind of crazy, Slazzy.
The 1 minute was also like interesting.
Yeah, the 30-second was so nice. Look at like the little tap of the C before running higher. So clean.
We got like an internal sweep into the 5, and then there was that gap at the top that flipped, and then we inversed like a bearish gap and then reflipped that original gap. And then now we're coming off a midnight opening here.
I don't know, just my rules, like I never trade into high time frame gaps like that. So, unless I have like a really good draw.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty mixed on where I want price to go today.
It's totally fair. Patience pays, kid.
Yeah.
Look at the bodies, bro. Look at the bodies.
Yeah, we tap those opening prices. Those are like the, like I guess nearest like key levels that we had before London. Yes, actually like wick through midnight. I think he ended up making like an equal high at midnight.
See, the fact that like the bodies close like that, bro, makes me really believe that it's algorithmic. Like I really don't think that that's buying and selling pressure. That's just stops right there.
No, it
Yeah, I
is.
mean,
ICT
very
talks
well
about the bodies, and like the way they close is how it's algorithmic.
No, well, that's what I'm saying. That's I'm confirming it. Like he always says, wicks through the
It
damage.
definitely is.
Yeah, wicks through the damage, bodies tell the story, and like just something like that. That just confirms that it's algorithmic. Like, look at that. Like that's insane.
Yeah, if you watch like if you look at like N-Dogs and N-Wogs, it does it a lot, like where the body will close like perfectly before running off of it
Jeez.
on like the higher the low of it.
Tomei loves those, the N dogs and N wogs.
Yeah, I used to
Really
trade
good
like my
targets.
original model was just off those. Looking pretty good. I wouldn't mind seeing it flip lower now and use that
Yeah.
big order block as a breaker.
Mhm.
This is what I was saying. The resweep, and now, I mean, if we get it, but
Yeah, honestly, I mean this. If we're gonna go lower, like this would be the area where I'd want to see it start.
Look
Off
at
of
those stacked
opening
lows
prices.
at 777. Like we have like 3 just beautiful
Mhm.
stacked lows at the bottom. And we're trading off the 18 open now, the CE of the 1 hour.
I'm watching this 2 minute.
Yeah, so am I.
I didn't even see the 2 minute.
Yes, yes, it's definitely weaker. We didn't even make the 2 minute on yes. Really.
You also hit 0.5 of the range too. I think.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
like
did.
pretty good high time frame rebound. It looks like high time frame AMD, just besides the fact that we swept out like the range low off the open.
Yeah, no, it definitely does. We have like the accumulation at open manipulated up.
Does anyone know what AMDX is?
AMDX,
Yeah,
I've
like
heard of like
the
AMDX,
time AMD.
Yeah,
yeah,
is
time based AMD.
could this be
Yeah, I
it?
know what that is.
Because
I mean,
it's like
honestly,
I mean, it
potentially.
could. You have to
I mean,
like, you
technically
have to,
we
like, do
ranged
the
before the
cycles
macro,
and
right?
shit, though. I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, it definitely has to do with like something with quarterly theory and time cycles.
Yeah,
But like,
it's time cycles, and then you split up the A, M, and D, and then the X is like where it
Oh.
runs.
so okay, so like just visually looking at it, like accumulation, manipulation lower, distribution higher, and then isn't the X the one that like goes the opposite direction and like
Yeah, it's like the rebalance of it, I
yeah,
think. Or,
it
like,
could
harvest.
low-key be it.
Yeah.
I mean, this 2 minute doesn't look like it's gonna close here, but we'll see what happens after. Slazzy, where are you from again? Like what state?
California.
Oh, California. So, well, where are you right now? Arizona though?
Oklahoma.
Oklahoma. What's the time zone there? Is it?
CST. It's 9:08.
Oh, okay, that's not bad.
Yeah. You're in New York, right?
Yeah, New York.
Were you at DMP, Florida?
I'm in Florida, yeah.
It's cool.
We got to do a meetup one day, bro.
Yeah, I'm down.
And then we got to do me, you, Yoji, and fucking Haiti.
Yeah. No, I already talked to Hadi and he said he'd be down.
It's Hottie.
Yeah, it's Hadi.
Okay.
That's like he's. But yeah, I'd look if you down to come to New York, bro. I've never been.
Nah, New York's dope. I can show you some I mean, I don't know how Oklahoma food is, but I could show you some fire food spots here.
Keep buns, bro. So I'm down.
Yeah. Rent like an Airbnb in the
I am
city or
liking this.
something. Yeah.
I'm liking this to come lower potentially. What were you saying, John?
No, I was just saying, rent an Airbnb in the city and just bool for a weekend or something.
Yeah, I'm down.
But yeah, no, this 2 minutes looking nice.
Yeah, ES is super weak compared to NQ. Just got that internal low. It's either now. But if we're gonna short, we invalidate that S&T. I just like ES's reaction from the opening prices after we came back up.
I am liking this, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm gonna take this. Oh god, don't like that reaction.
Yes.
But
You win?
yeah, man, I took this.
Flush it NQ.
We do a smaller entry, see how it reacts. And then size in. Maybe. We come back to this high. I don't even deserve it at this point.
Yeah, we need to
I want to
some
see. I don't want to
follow-up
see this
here.
2 minute close back above the inverse.
I agree.
Nah, yeah.
I want to see it just wick, and then close below.
Yeah. If we close above it, I'll cut it.
Previous day low. We edged that shit.
Eight, 9, 5.
Like that reaction. Yeah, this is it for me.
This is my one trade. Let's see how it goes.
Flush it NQ.
We're gonna try to like break even at that internal wick.
Yeah. The one inside the 5 minute, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you guys targeting if you're in this?
Previous day low.
Yeah, it's pretty.
I think I'm gonna take a partial at that last wick at 761, but previous day low is right there. So
Yeah,
I don't.
yeah.
I might just hold out for that.
No, I agree. Take a partial there if you want. 100%.
Yeah.
That's totally valid.
And then I'm gonna have a runner till Asia at 709.
Oh, you swinging for it?
Yep.
Is there an
That's
Asia
nice.
like
I
low
like that.
still?
I got cooked a couple plays and I was copy trading, so I
Just
gotta
previous
try and
day
get it
low.
back.
I like previous day low as ultimate draw.
Yeah.
I agree.
We do have SMT at this internal low here, or we did before, but I mean, I'm still holding that throw.
I definitely don't want to see us like just chop here. I just want to see it kind of flow down.
I'm sick. The moment I took off the copy trade, the shit is starting to play out a little bit. Let's see what happens.
We just need some follow-through on this. Or
Yeah.
yeah, I mean we need to flush through that internal low, get rid of that SMT with ES, and we should be able to just rip for low of day.
Yeah.
Kind of like the smooth lows on there.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm in
I would
this
like
part.
some kind of a like displacement. We need like a volume candle to confirm.
If we take out this internal low that we just made, not the break even spot, I'm gonna mitigate risk to above the inverse for value gap. What's up, Rohan? Yeah, I'm in shorts too. Good shit, good catch. See what happens.
That move up too also could be like the 10 AM PO3 that we had at the top or lower.
Ultimate draw is yeah. Ultimate draw is previously low. Rohan. I'll probably take a partial at this SMT low, break even here. If we even get there. This indicator right here is the IFEG Ultimate Plus. If you wanted to, you could click the link in the bio and purchase it, or you could send me a DM. You hope he says he loves America. So what, my position goes negative? I lose my position. Yeah, I hate the sideways shit. If we close this 2 minute fair value gap, if we close back above it, I'm gonna probably just cut it. I don't like this shit, honestly. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna cut it here. I don't like this reaction. I'm probably gonna cut mine. I mean, ES is holding a 2 minute actually. I don't know.
Doors, but my power is gone.
Slazzy, what are you doing here? You holding?
Break even.
Fall asleep.
I'm making a decision today.
You know what's crazy is, oh wait, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's crazy is I was in that short, but I can't even manage my position on trade of it now because of my power is on.
I took the L. I closed it. This shit's ass.
I can't even get rid of my limits now, bro. Well,
You power
GG.
just cut out?
Yep.
What the fuck?
Right. Well, let's see if I can use trade of it on the phone somehow. Like, Jesus.
I wanted to take that data low and nothing else. If I would have swept through that previous day low, I definitely would have took the long to the 1 hour gap, but it was just too close. It seemed like it had to be touched at some point.
The DD indicator is the IFEG Ultimate Plus. Click the link in the bio, and then it's on our WAP page. Unfortunately, I took an L today. A small L. This was like a quarter L. I'm down like $125 per account. But yeah, I closed it right here. Once we close back above this 2 minute fair value gap, the inverse that we used to send us lower, once we retapped it, I kind of got out. So, oh, well, this is a crazy candle. But, I mean, I just didn't like this reaction. I don't like this chop, so I closed it. I don't care. I'll just come back tomorrow for, you know, hopefully a better day. But, I mean, given overnight price action, like, look at how much we dumped overnight, right? Like, you really expect us to, you know, dump another crazy amount of points. I mean, honestly, though, like, to previous day low, I did expect it, right? Like, I will admit I did expect at least a previous day low, but, I mean, just look at this consolidation, right? This is just ass. PB respected. I'm still long. We'll see what plays out. I was short, but I closed this out for small L. DMP, you back?
Nope, I'm just on my phone currently.
It's
I don't know
hovering.
what happened to the fucking power. That shit just got rinsed.
It's hovering break even right now.
Smoke right below that 1 minute. But then we immediately came back up to it.
Yeah, Blake probably took the exact same short that I took. This was a clean like trade. I just don't like this consolidation right here. It's just ass, right? Like I don't want to sit through this. I know when I'm taking trades, right, and like it's a proper trade, it's the delivery and the follow through is usually so much nicer than this. Like I don't like this, so fuck it, whatever, you know.
Honestly, I think I'm not scalping enough. The way this shit moves 30, 40 points so easily, and then we'll come back to your break even. That shit happens so many times. Might just keep on picking at those.
Yeah, I can't even do anything. My power's still fried. I don't know what happened, but it seems like someone has done something.
Allthran just said Trump talks with Iran are going well. Trump have to do meaningful deal with Iran. Trump will find out over maybe 10 days about peace and mindset. Trump, we may have to take it a step further on Iran. They can't have a nuclear weapon, dude. I hate to say it, bro. It's
You have Twitter open.
it's Netanyahu like in his ear. Like if you look at some of the videos that he's posted, he's been saying like Iran for the last 20 years, bro.
Facts.
It's scary, bro. It really is scary.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know when this is coming back on, but I mean, honestly, I probably won't even take anything else.
That's valid. I mean, you're still fine. Like it's at break even right now.
Oh no, I'm stopped on that. My stop loss definitely got railed.
Oh fuck.
Because I took a later entry for it.
Thank you guys. Dude, you want to hear a video I saw on Instagram? Check this out.
Yahoo? Well, apparently that is the nickname given to Prime Minister Netanyahu by
Look at
teens
these
and young adults
angles.
on social media. The new viral trend is to use Netanyahu as a sort of savior when you're in a situation you don't really feel like being in. Take a look at some of the
Bro, so they're saying like their news station over in Israel saying that like the big Yahoo is like a good thing and that they use it as like as him being a savior and stuff and if you guys are still in this would probably be a nice break-even spot. I don't know. There's an SMT at this low. This is just looking super garbage. Like this is just garbage, guys. Instagram Reels, Brandon. Yeah, this is just garbage, guys. I'm clearing my screen and just going on about my day. Fuck this. This is terrible.
Yeah, no, I mean, there's no point of entertaining this. If the shorts are going to play, they should have like started out a while ago. Honestly, realistically, today there was actually like no valid trades, to be real.
No, the only thing I liked was that 30-second at open. That's it. Down to the data low.
Yeah, I mean, I kind of wanted to play down the data low, and then I just kind of faded it. I didn't really like the risk to reward that I was going to get.
Yeah.
And then like the longs, like I didn't really see a reason to like play longs. I wanted to see it be like more manipulation to go lower. And then yeah, I mean, any kind of like short setup just kind of got like re-manipulated low key. Like ideally on that like 10 a.m. leg up where we swept the highs and like moved a little bit higher, manipulated. Like once we flip back down from that, we should have just started the move lower.
I agree.
And then I guess perhaps like that 5 minute not flipping is like another issue. But also like we also just keep getting discorrelated like back and forth. Like we're making SMTs at the top and bottom like back and forth. Like right now there's one at the bottom with ES. But like ES looks like it's gonna make an SMT at the top again. It's like
How many NQM is equivalent to one NQ contract? 10. 10 micros for 1 mini.
literally took the range from the bottom and moved it up to the top.
Yeah, this is garbage, guys. All right, you ready to call it? This is garbage.
Yeah, we can call it whenever. I really just want to see us flush like sell side off the open. All that sell side was stacked.
I agree. Yeah, just some follow through from overnight, but nothing.
But of course, I mean, every day I'm seeing the pattern. If London moves hard, then it's just like you can just expect for New York to be
Garbage.
pretty rangy.
Yep.
I was just wanting to see like continuation of the distribution move because London manipulated, but I guess London manipulated and distributed. So
All right. We'll call it. We'll see you
Oh my God.
guys. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
so I'll catch you guys in the morning.
Yep. Peace out, fellas.
Later, boys.
Space.